Hey, welcome back to West Steps. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to create very here kind of boxy videos, and I'm giving you something advantage create this time. I will walk you through the entire process using both Claude and ChatGPT side by side, so you can see clearly how each one handles it and decide which users you like better. There's no single tool right here. Some of you might prefer how one of them generates the visuals. Others might prefer the others outputs. So instead of telling you which one to use, I'm going to show you both workflows and let you make that call for yourself. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create your whole Baraka unboxing content using whichever tool fits your style best. So let's jump in and get started. You've probably seen those incredibly satisfying toy car unboxing videos all over YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and other social media platforms. Creators like these are pulling in millions of views and building massive audiences simply by posting this style of content consistently. Now, here's one secret. You don't need to buy expensive toy cars, build a recording setup, or spend hours filming everything by hand. These realistic-looking videos can now be created almost entirely with AI, using a single powerful prompt and a few free AI tools. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact workflow I use to create these hyper-realistic toy car unboxing videos from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll be able to generate unlimited videos in this style and start creating content that's designed to grab attention from the very first second. But before we jump into the tutorial, take a look at this video I created using the exact prompt and workflow I'm about to share with you. Make sure you watch all the way to the end, because I'll be revealing exactly how you can get the master prompt I used to create these videos. So stick around until the end. You definitely don't want to miss that. This is the kind of quality you'll be able to create yourself. So without wasting any further time, let's get started immediately. For this workflow, we're going to test two different AI chatbots and see how each one performs as the brain behind the entire production process, ChatGPT and Claude. We'll start with ChatGPT and take it through the complete workflow from beginning to end. Then we'll repeat the same process with Claude so we can compare the results and see which one works best. So first, open ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT is ready, head over to the Google Docs file that contains the complete master prompt I created specifically for this workflow. As you can see, the prompt is already fully structured and ready to use. Now, select the entire master prompt from beginning to end, copy everything, and switch back to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into the ChatGPT chat box and click Send. ChatGPT will immediately generate 10 different vehicle name options that you can use for the toy car unboxing video. For this tutorial, I'll be going with number 6, Bugatti Chiron. So I'll simply select the name, copy it, paste it back into the ChatGPT chat box, and hit Send. Next, ChatGPT will begin generating all the production blocks you'll need for the entire workflow. And from here, the process gets even easier. The first block you'll see is the foundation image generation prompt. This is the prompt we'll use to create the main reference image that will serve as the foundation for generating the entire video. So copy that first generation block and head over to Google Gemini. Create a new chat, paste the prompt into the chat box, and hit Send. Give Gemini a few moments to process the prompt and generate the foundation image for your toy car unboxing video. After a short wait, you'll have an image that looks something like this. Once the image is ready, simply download it and save it to your device. Once you've downloaded and saved the foundation image, head back to ChatGPT and locate the first video generation block. Copy the entire prompt, then switch over to Google Flow and create a new project. Paste the video prompt into the Google Flow prompt box, then upload the foundation image you generated with Google Gemini. Give it a moment to finish uploading. Now configure the generation settings. Set the generation mode to video, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, select OmniFlash as the video generation model, set the duration to 10 seconds, and leave the output at 1 video. Once everything is ready, click Generate and let Google Flow process the prompt and animate your foundation image. After a few moments, your first clip for your toy car unboxing video will be ready. Your result should look something like this. Now we simply repeat the same process for the remaining clips. Head back to ChatGPT, locate the video generation prompt for the next clip and copy it. Then switch back to Google Flow, drag the foundation image into the prompt box, paste the video prompt, and click Generate. Once Google Flow finishes processing, your second video clip will be ready. From there, just go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the next clip, return to Google Flow, add the foundation image, paste the prompt, and generate again. Once you've generated your third video clip, download all of your completed clips and save them to your device. Make sure you select the highest quality available so your final video stays as crisp and detailed as possible. Now open CapCut and create a new project. Select the 3 video clips you've generated, import them into your project, and wait for them to finish loading. Once they're imported, simply drag the clips onto the timeline in the correct order. Clip 2, then clip 3. Now all that's left is to make a few final adjustments. Scroll through the timeline and make sure all 3 clips are properly joined together, with no awkward gaps or interruptions between them. Once everything looks good, play the entire video one last time from beginning to end. If you're happy with the final result, you're ready to export. Simply click Export, choose the highest quality available, and save the finished video to your device. And now let's take a look at the final result we generated using ChatGPT. If you want the exact prompts I used to create this entire workflow, simply comment Bruno AI below and I'll send them to you completely free. And that's it for the ChatGPT workflow. Now let's put the exact same prompt to the test with Claude AI and see what kind of results it can produce. We'll follow the same process, use the same workflow, and then compare the final result to see which one performs better. Once you've opened Claude, head back to the Google Docs file and copy the complete master prompt you used earlier. Then switch back to Claude, paste the entire prompt into the chat box, and hit send. Give Claude a moment to process everything. Just like ChatGPT, it will generate 10 different car options for you to choose from. For this tutorial, we'll be selecting number 6, Mercedes-Benz. I'll copy that option, paste it back into Claude's chat box, and hit send. Claude will then generate the complete production prompts for the video. You'll get the foundation image prompt first, followed by the video generation prompts for the different clips we'll be creating. Once the foundation image prompt appears, click the copy button to copy the entire prompt. Then switch over to Google Gemini, paste the prompt into the chat box, and hit send. Gemini will then generate the foundation image that we'll use as the visual reference for creating the rest of the Mercedes-Benz toy car unboxing video. Once Google Gemini finishes generating the foundation image, simply click Download and save it to your device. After the image has been successfully downloaded, head back to Claude and locate the first video generation prompt. Copy the entire prompt, then switch over to Google Flow and click Create a new project. Once your project is open, drag the foundation image you downloaded from Gemini into the Google Flow prompt box and allow it to finish uploading. Next, paste the video generation prompt you copied from Claude into the prompt box. Since we already configured the Google Flow settings earlier, you can leave those settings exactly as they are. Once everything is ready, click Generate and give Google Flow a moment to process the prompt and create your first video clip using Claude's instructions. After it's finished, you'll have your first Claude-generated toy car unboxing scene ready to preview. And as you can see, the result still looks incredibly clean. Personally, I actually prefer this one over the result we got from ChatGPT because the visuals feel more consistent and cohesive. But let's see how the second clip turns out. Head back to Claude, copy the next video generation prompt, then switch back to Google Flow. Drag the same foundation image into the prompt box, paste the new prompt, and click Generate. Let's give Google Flow a moment to process it, and see how the second Claude-generated clip compares. And as you can see, I think I actually prefer the results we're getting from Claude. Like I mentioned earlier, the visuals feel much more consistent from one clip to another, and the overall result is much closer to what I had pictured in my mind when I created this workflow. The details also look more realistic, which makes the entire toy car unboxing sequence feel much more convincing and polished. So between the two results, Claude is definitely my preferred choice for this particular workflow. Now let's generate the final clip. Scroll down to the final video generation prompt, copy it, then switch back to Google Flow. Drag the same foundation image into the prompt box, paste the final prompt, and click Generate. Give Google Flow a moment to process it and create the final scene. And just like that, we now have all of our clips completed. Before moving into the editing stage, download every clip to your device in the highest quality available. Once they're saved, open CapCut and import all 3 clips and place them on the timeline in the correct order. Play through the sequence from beginning to end, check that everything flows properly, and make any small adjustments you feel are necessary. Once you're happy with the final result, export the complete video in the highest quality available. And that's it. You've successfully created your complete AI-generated toy car unboxing video from start to finish. And now you can see the 2 results side by side. Personally, I prefer the video result from Claude because it feels a little more consistent and realistic. But ultimately, the choice is yours. Use whichever AI chatbot you have access to, because both ChatGPT and Claude free versions did a great job with this workflow. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more tutorials like this. And remember, if you need the prompt I used for this entire workflow, simply comment Bruno AI in the comment section, and I'll send it to you completely free.